Period. Period. Period, Pooh. Period. That's how I'm feeling.
Period. 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 Period.
I'm feeling real. Period. Period. That's how I'm feeling.
I'm fresh from Costa Rica. I'm fresh from Costa Rica. I met my connect in Costa Rica. See that dope come off the boat from Costa Rica. Flex, my whip got all the features. My bitch from overseas and she can't eat without her visa. So I let her be Keisha, she blow me while I blow Keisha. Blow 40 at the club and blow 30 out the knee. Bitch, I'm from Chirac and this shit feel like Costa Rica. I'm fresh from Costa Rica. Jugging and finessing all season. It's getting closer to the weekend. Pluggy Puerto Rican, ship the keys in. Send them now, I need them. My old told me be a leader. I flood the streets, cause Trinity call fame. And the kid hit it with the egg beater. I get them bricks a little cheaper. We move like this shit leave. My plug, my blood, shout out my people. He kill a nigga for no reason. Then we go chill in Costa Rica. I'm fresh from Costa Rica. I met my connect in Costa Rica. See the dope come off the boat from Costa Rica. Flex, whip got all the features. My bitch from overseas and she can't eat without her visa. So I let her be Keisha, she blow me while I blow Keisha. Blow 40 in the club and blow 30 out the knee. Bitch, I'm from Chirac and this shit feel like Costa Rica. I'm fresh from Costa Rica. Swallow mozzarella, cocaine. They don't see me and say, oh my god, like they see G. Now I did nothing but hit like business. Man, army, you don't need to vouch for me. We're talking vegetables unless it's broccoli. You was acting biggie, but you ain't too coffee, man. Blam, 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 some of that. I'm talking that shit. Costa Rica, boss, I'm talking shit. Costa Rica, coke, I'm talking shit. But at Costa Rica, how you feel? I'm fresh from Costa Rica. I met my connect in Costa Rica. See that dope come off the boat from Costa Rica. Flex, my whip got all the features. My bitch from overseas and she can't eat without her visa. So I let her be Keisha, she blow me while I blow Keisha. Blow 40 at the club and blow 30 out the knee. From Chirac and this shit feel like Costa Rica.
Yeah. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. I fucked up about a little past 7, and I know that she ready to put that dick off in her belly. She don't care about the ice up on my bezzy. Long as I let her ride a nigga like a noose to the Pirelli. Try that pussy like a Mario Andretti. I'm throwing money like confetti. Got you petty niggas stressing. Caught your bitch, I call that shit her interception. I cut her front off when we cuttin'. We don't need no interjections. Beat that shit up like I'm fresh out of correction. Baby, I got a confession, girl, your head is such a blessing. Nigga, I'm stressing and I want it every second. Yeah, cause you got what I want. Yeah. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. For that girl to dance to every single song, yeah, song. Pour it up and she gon' drink it till it's gone. Girl, what's wrong? She keep leaning, laughing, touching like no one's around. And I just wanna take her to the crib so I could take her down. Couple friends with her drinking shots and blowing hookah smoke. Standing on the bar cause it ain't what you know, it's who you know. All of y'all invited, we can turn this to a thing for real. She super excited, looking drunk as round in Dangerfield. I feel I got this shit down to a science, bill night, still fly. Man, I'm high as fighter pilots, kill my vibe, you wish you could. Fuck with me, I wish you would. You just selling dreams to anybody who would listen to it. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi. I had my eyes on you for a long time. Wishing we could link up like the Wi-Fi.
Frizzy on the beat.
I just need a reason to show you my love. A lot of people banning me when I got up above. I guess that's the main reason I show no one trust. Lately I've been feeling like I'm just stuck in a rut. Not the one to live up to all of these expectations. All they come with is flawed opinions and speculation. All they come with is people asking me for my best. Then when I give them my best, they ask them, well, where's the rest? A lot of things that I've been thinking I just cannot say. I know if I were to say it would harm me for days. I guess you can just say that I'm stuck in my ways. I've been doing this ever since they've been calling me Trey. Couple bottled up emotions I cannot express. If I don't let them out soon, it's gonna turn into stress. And I'ma be the only one left to clean up the mess. If you wish me anything, hope you wish me the best. Still got a lot to learn, but up until this point in time, I think I got it's earned. Ever since I was a youngin', I've been representing. Also learn everything done does not mean that it's finished. Nobody sees the hard work that I've been putting in. Not a single family member, not a single friend. Hope the next person I meet not in the setting trends, cause all they like to do is play pretend. Kinda hard to figure out who really with you. Even fake people act like they care about your issues. They might even be the ones providing you the tissue. Act like they down for you today and tomorrow they diss you. Everyone wishes the road was a little bit smoother, a little less rocky bumps and those awkward maneuvers. But don't use it as an excuse for you not to keep moving, cause this greatness at the end it's already been proven. If I learned anything, I learned to pick up the slack, cause it's just me, myself, and I when the picture goes black. And when the picture goes black, I know ain't no coming back. Ain't no reason to stress about it, it's just a fact. A lot of people in my life say that they showing love, but then they show their true colors when push coming to shove. And that's a stain hard to remove, it's like I'm cleaning rust. And then when I confront them about it, all they do is fuss. Nowadays you have to watch how you really maneuver. Man, this house is not a home, got me feeling like Luther. The decisions that I'm making is very much crucial. I just hope I push through and somehow I don't lose it. Not the one worried about if I'm fitting the mode. I just wanna make sure that I'm cleansing my soul and sticking to the same moors I set with the code. And warm myself up and know some my heart open cold. Earth, winter, fire, it's all in September. I'm just trying to make music that people remember. Mine all over the place like it's put in a blender. Man, these niggas faking sweet, so I'm calling them splendor. Got the city on my shoulder, the pressure on me. And my tank is now full, that shit almost on E. But if somehow I do not make it, I know it's on me. But everything I done accomplished has led me to peace.
Hey, DJ Gio, run that shit.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed the makeup and the hair. I am totally in love. This makeup look came out really pretty. This wig is super bomb. For it to only be $24.99, honey, like I was saying, for this wig to only be $24.99, honey, this wig is a bomb. Okay, it is really nice, really silky, really shiny. It can be flat ironed. If I could find this online, I'll leave a link to it down below in the description bar so you ladies can check it out. But for the most part, honey, this face is beads. I am glowing to the gods, honey. And this wig is a 10. So I love you guys and I hope that you enjoyed this video. You guys see I have my backdrop set up now. I'm feeling all beauty guru-ish now. All right, y'all, so I'm about to do some reels for IG. I'll leave my Instagram down below in the description bar. Make sure that you guys leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you can be alerted. And last but not least, if you like me, if you love me, if you like my content, if you enjoy seeing my face, hit that subscribe button. That's the most important button down there. Hit the subscribe button, leave this video a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications for more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and you guys probably don't notice this, but my eyelashes are not even glued down. They're not glued on at all. I just ripped them off the pack and put them on my eyelid, and they're sticking. So I really don't want to put any glue on my eyelashes. So I really don't. Ooh, this is a look, honey. A whole look. Yeah. And then you guys know I got my my little jailbird twist underneath here, looking like a boy when I snatch this wig off, looking like a whole dude. But I love you guys. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and bye. I'm trying to put it where I don't look like hella old, because with this wig, it's a thin line between young and old. I could start looking real Tina Turner-ish if I wear this wig wrong. Like, I can start looking real Tina just got her ass beat in the back of a limo if I don't be careful with how this wig blow, okay? But for the most part, I'm loving it. It's really pretty, super layered and bouncy and full. My face is beads. So, honey, period. Gosh, real Nikki the Ninja, real Harajuku Bobby-ish.
Knowing you're beautiful and knowing you're great is extremely important. You shouldn't need anyone to tell you that. You should just know it and feel it every single day. You are that bitch.
All right, let me go.